Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize a Mailchimp signup form so you can capture leads for your technical software tutorials, maintain a high-end studio brand aesthetic, and build a professional 2026 subscriber list with ease. Let's get into it. First, open your email campaign. The first step is entering the active workspace for your professional outreach. In 2026, Mailchimp allows you to candidly edit your integrated sign-up forms without leaving your current project, keeping your workflow efficient and focused. Log in to your Mailchimp dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab, and select the specific email or landing page campaign you are currently building. Ensure you are in the main checklist view of your campaign, where you can see the Content section. To provide a professional experience for your technical video audience, you need to access the Studio Builder, where all your technical assets are managed. Next, access the Content Design area. To modify the visual elements of your form, you must enter the technical design environment. Navigate to the Content tab of your campaign checklist, look for the Edit Design button or the thumbnail image of your layout, and click it to launch the builder. In 2026, the Content tab is your mechanical necessity for all visual updates. This step brings you into the studio, where you can refine your market analysis and software tutorial call to actions. Lastly, refine the studio style and save. The final step is adjusting the visual presentation to match your high-end brand aesthetic. Switch from the Content tab to the Style tab in the block settings. Adjust the colors, fonts, and button styles to match your 2026 technical video graphics. Click Save and Close at the bottom of the settings panel to commit your changes to the campaign. Saving your design ensures that when you send your professional market analysis, the sign-up form looks like a seamless part of your studio production. Your campaign integrated sign-up form is now complete. And that's pretty much it. To customize your form within a campaign in 2026, go to your campaigns, select your draft, and click Edit Design in the Content tab. Click on your sign-up block, use the Content tab to select your fields, and use the Style tab to match your studio brand. Hit Save and Close to finalize your professional layout and start growing your technical software tutorial audience. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.